Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. On Wednesday, December the 22nd, I've told you we have no extra Sudoku. So I've decided to continue with the yesterday's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's the edition of Tuesday, December the 22nd. The 21st. We have here 4 puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. So 4 extra puzzles. And the first one I will solve will be the Sudoku with 1 star. 1 star number, this will be number 3867. 3867. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong or right. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and an 8 in this row, so no 6 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and an 8, 6 and an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And we have a pair. 7 and 8 in the last row. 7 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. Let me see. How about the first row? 3 missing numbers. The first row. One of the missing number in the first row is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Okay. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then Then. Let me see. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay, and we have a pair again. 1 and a 4 in this row. 1 and a 4 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 4. That means these 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the missing numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square here. We have the 1 and the 4. We have the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Okay. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. And now. How about, let me see. 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row. Oh, we have a pair again. Yeah. 5 and a 9 in this row. 5 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. Then two missing numbers in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 3 in this column? 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see. Interesting. We have a 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Here are 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. 2 missing numbers in the middle. A column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. So it's definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.